Fujian Jin's Metal Technology Development Company Limited is a comprehensive copper processing enterprise with integration of R&D, fabrication, sales, and service. We have obtained plenty of patents and ISO 9001, 2015 ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certification. Jin's adhering to the vision of bringing together a perfect harmony of copper and world-class masterpieces in design. Our business covers countries and regions all over the world since its establishment. We not only provided professional copper curtain, wall system, copper roof system, copper decoration system, and copper water drainage system solutions for famous projects such as Shanghai Disneyland, Huawei Songshan Lake, Beijing Universal Studios, ByteDance the Huangdi's Native Place Palace, etc. But Jin's also relies on excellent product quality, superb design team, and advanced technology research and development. Have brought countless exquisite and practical independent copper products to the market. In the increasingly fierce market competition, Jin's has always been insisting on innovation as the driving force, and constantly innovated, providing solutions that meet modern aesthetic and functional requirements for many projects at home and abroad. Behind every project, there is the sweat and wisdom of the Jin's teams. And every project partner has witnessed our respect and love for copper materials. With the development of the company, Jin's has gradually become a leader in the field of copper products. Jin's sincerely commits to become a partner of people from all walks of life.